Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this issue, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check if airplane mode is enabled. So for this, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Look for the airplane mode icon. It looks like an airplane. If the icon is orange, airplane mode is enabled. If the icon is gray, it is disabled. So if it is enabled, tap on the icon to disable it and you are done. And the next step is verify if you are connected to the correct Wi-Fi networks. For this, go to settings. Next, tap on Wi-Fi and check if you are connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. If not, then connect to the correct Wi-Fi network and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider shows up. Slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is disable all VPN connection. If you're using a VPN on a slow internet connection, there is a high chance that your network speed will be severely affected. Make sure you are not connected to a VPN when trying to troubleshoot. For this, go to settings. Next, tap on VPN and then tap on VPN status toggle button to disable it and you are done. And the next step is reset your network settings. After completing all checks, you have the option to reset your network settings. For this, go to your iPhone settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone. Next, choose reset and then choose reset network settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.